Hey Glam Fam, what's up? I forgot to put an intro to the video. This is hours after I wore this makeup. It stayed on all day. So if you want to know how I got this work easy beat, then just keep on watching. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. You know what to do. I'm about to go to work. I just put my hair up for you guys because I was like, no. And we would use all Colourpop products. So except for mascara, I don't have a Colourpop mascara. So we're gonna get right into this because we don't have time to waste. The first thing I'm gonna be going into contour with is this eyeshadow called Super Shock Shadow Sticker Sheets from the Hello Kitty collection. It's a nice shimmery brown, small Benefit Kabuki brush. And I'm just going to put it in the hollows of my cheeks. It's going to give me a very natural glow. Let me try to calm down the lighting. Right? There we go. That was like, woo, beat me up, Scotty. This is called Bardot. It's one is deeper brown-ish, burgundy-ish, but brick. So you got to be careful with this one. So if you guys don't know about Colourpop, it's an online cosmetics company that sells very affordable items. If you haven't heard of Colourpop, like, have you been living under a rock? Like, it's only the best. They have the best matte liquid lipsticks that feel so comfortable. I'm just going to soften this down a little bit with my Too Faced Unicorn palette. I know that I said I was going to keep it Colourpop, but this was a little bit more redder than I expected. And it looks like I have, like, eczema, so we don't want that. They're going to be like, girl, you done caught poison ivy on your face. Next thing we're going to go into is eyes. I know this is kind of ass backwards, but I had already did my face. Actually, real fast, I just want to, I want to bake underneath where I put my contour. Just going to do that so that while I'm doing my makeup, I'm going in with the Kat Von D Lock-It powder. Just because that's going to give me a nice chiseled contour line. Looking crazy. We're going to go into the eyes. This is going to be the most simple look you've ever seen in your life. I can promise you that. So with Colourpop shadows, this is a Colourpop cheek, but I'm using it as a transition shade. You just have to use your fingers. Do you see this? It's like putty. You don't need a brush for this. I'm just going to hit my entire eye with this. Watch what I'm doing here. Then to deepen up the crease, actually I can use a Q-tip. I'm going in with this color toe box from the Hello Kitty collection. I know, this is so not like me. Buys $40 brushes, uses a Q-tip. Okay. And I'm just gonna go in to right there. And deepen up the crease. Blend it all in with your fingers. I'm gonna go back into that corner. You just place it with a Q-tip. By the time you hit it with your fingers, dude, it's like blended already. I remember when I first got into YouTube, like watching YouTube videos, the first videos I ever like watched were like Colourpop lip swatch videos. Like, cause Colourpop has like a bazillion shades and like the models would just like, the YouTube girls would just like sit there and throw on all these shades and I'd be like, I gotta get that one and that one and that one. The good thing about Colourpop is you can legit buy like 100 shadows, 100 colors because it's legit like so affordable. Okay, now we're gonna go back in and blend. I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. I should have did the no makeup brush challenge that they got going on. Nikki Tutorials did it, Tati did it, and I should use Colourpop, but would that be cheating? Because like, look at how good that blends. And so we're gonna throw on some mascara because I don't have a Colourpop mascara. I'm not even quite sure if they sell a mascara. Going in my L'Oreal Voluminous Miss Mango Retro mascara. I mean, not saying that I look like I should be out the door because yikes. And you guys can get ready, throw your makeup on, and handle your business. Your business. Your inner corner tear ducts. I am going to go in with this lovely poppin' ass shade. This is Juicy Apple. Pop it right there. Actually, I'm just going to use my fingers. for the brow bone. It's much easier. I just wanted to show you guys this because these are their matte lipsticks. They're just called lippy sticks. These are $5. This is the color Wet. Do you guys see how easy that glides on and how much pigment that has? This is like a chrome color. Maybe we'll put this on our eye. Who cares? Only live once. YOLO. So we're gonna go into this. This reminds me like of a cheaper, better, yes, I said better, NARS Orgasm. It's like a very shimmery pink, but without the glitter. I'm going in with this Real Techniques blush brush and just pounce. Don't dig, pounce. So I'm gonna go right above where I laid that contour, just to give me like a sunburn effect. Plus, it'll leave you, for you mature ladies, it'll leave you looking dewy, especially if you're dry, because this is so creamy. Like, you have no idea. All right, we're going in with highlighters. They make these beautiful highlighters. They're like the exact consistency of the Kylie Jenner Wet set, which if you don't know about that, it's like a putty highlighter. Do you guys see that? I am going to take my finger and I am going to go ahead and put spoon right on the high points of my cheek. Oh, it's just stunning. I think Colourpop is my favorite cosmetics, and it's the one that got me into makeup because I could play with makeup for an affordable price. You know what? Some people think that beauty bloggers are just saying that. I don't even consider myself a beauty blogger, but I'm telling you, once you try Colourpop for the first time, you'll never stop. That's how good it is. It's just you got to get people to try it that initial time and then forget about it. You're hooked. You're hooked, and that's that. I'm going with the Super Shock cheek called Yummy Cookies. I'm just going to put it on my nose a little bit more. We are glowing. We are looking really good. Like right now with this contour and stuff, I'm looking crazy, but we are looking litty. Liner, I'm going in with the Colourpop Taurus lip liner. They do sharpen. Let me get my mirror. Okay, now that we lined our lips, we're going in with our matte liquid lip. I am going in with this beautiful mauve nude. It is called Monday. This is what the applicator looks like. I mean, not similar to Kylie Jenner. And this lipstick is not, these matte lippies, these ultra mattes, they ain't budging. Like, they're not coming off with food. They're not coming off with kissing. They're not feathering. Tell me that's not a beautiful nude. Come on now, be serious. It's beautiful. Spray with my Pixie Rose Water after I dust off this bake. Come on, we got ready in like 5 minutes. We're ready. I mean, maybe my hair's not ready and my mind's not mentally prepared, but we're ready. Ready for what? To go to work. The highlight though, come on. Seriously. Like, it's raining outside and we won't need to use our headlights because I am blinding the shit out of y'all. What it do? I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more Colourpop videos using Colourpop products, leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Peace. But like, can we just like look at that highlight one more time?